Hey, Drew James here from LearnGuitarInLondon.com. I hope you're having a great day. The song that we're about to learn, Talk Tonight, is what I consider to be Noel Gallagher's, probably one of his most soulful songs. A lot of their B-sides, this one was definitely a classic for me, and I remember playing it a lot when I was a kid, and I'm really looking forward to sharing it with you. We're going to be showing you the rhythm, the chords, all the little parts that make it sound as good as it is. Let's start learning how to play it.
Once again I landed, stranded, hardly even knew your name. I wanna talk tonight till the morning light, about how you saved my
So this Oasis song uses some simple-ish open chords. The first one is an E minor 7. You just make your regular E minor but put down the 3rd fret on the B string and strum all 6 strings. That changes to what I'm going to call an A7 suspended 4th. It's really easy. Keep this E minor 7 chord down but just lift up the index finger. So you're holding down 2nd on D and 2nd on B and strum the bottom 5. So that's your main change. C7 is the next chord, so if you make your regular C, but you just put your little pinky finger on the 3rd fret, also on the G string, sorry, and strum the bottom 5. Or you can think of it as the 4th string down. So that's your C7. Some other chords you'll need are the C add 9, which is, if you know a G chord, or the Oasis folk G as I like to call it, which is, so index finger on 2nd fret on the A, middle finger on 2nd fret on thickest D, ring finger on 3rd fret on B, and pinky finger on 3rd fret on E. If you don't know the names of the strings, Eddie 8, Dynamite, Goodbye, Eddie. Nice simple system, E, A, D, G, B, E. That's your G, which you'll need in this song. But the other chord you'll need is the C add 9. So you just lift up these 2 fingers and move them down a set of strings. So you're on the 2nd fret on the D string and the 3rd fret on the A. And strum the bottom 5. So quick recap on those chords: E minor 7, A7 suspended 4th, C7, G, and C add 9. And that is all the chords you're going to need. All you need to do now is get the rhythm right, and I'll tell you the order of the chords obviously. So Noel starts this song by just doing a simple strummed E minor 7. Sort of slow raked strum down the strings. And then this is the main rhythm that we're going to be using throughout the song. However, the rhythm will change when I tell you it changes. Okay, so here we go. That's the basic rhythm. So let me break that down for you and keep that as clear as possible. Down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. Now I'll do that slowly. Down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. Now the thing that most people find difficult about that is when you go down, up, and you have to go up twice. So the one bit of advice that I'd like to give you on that is think about missing on a down. Down, up, miss, up, down. Down, up, miss. miss, up, down. Missing just means you take your hand past the strings and return on the up. One more time with that, and then I'll teach you how to really make it sound like what Noel's doing. Down, 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 up, down, down, down. Repeat. Okay, so that's your basic rhythm. Make sure that you've got that under your fingers before you attempt this next part. So the next part is, we're putting in bass notes and accents. A bass note is quite simply the top 2 or 3 strings of whatever chord you're playing. So in this case, in this E minor 7, it's the top 3 strings. So the beginning of the song actually has 2 bass notes, and that's mainly what the rhythm pattern is. And then the third down strum is a loud strum, or what we call an accented strum. Got that, right? So instead of strumming all 6 strings in the first 2 strums of every chord, you strum just the top 2 or 3 strings. Don't be too fastidious about it, just think little strum with your plectrum. So then you've got bass, bass, down, down, up, bass, down. Let me do that slowly. Bass, bass, down, down, up, bass, down, down, up. So can you hear the other bass notes and accents that I'm putting in? Listen. Bass, bass, loud, down, up, bass, loud, down, up. When you do that round in a circle, you really get it sounding like the song. Okay, so for most of the time with this, you're going to be doing that rhythm pattern twice for every chord. So let's actually, I'm now just going to play the order of chords in the intro. I'll call them out as we go, but you've got that rhythm guitar now and you can start putting them together. So it starts with E minor 7. Again. Changing to A7 suspended 4th. Remember, just lift up this finger to reveal just to these 2. You don't need to leave these 2 up. Bass notes for this is the A and the D and the G. Twice. C7. Which you just do the once. G. Which you just do the once. Then, from this G, back to the A7 suspended 4th, the second chord that we learned. Just the once, then C add 9. Here's your C add 9. Take the little finger, put it underneath, leave this index finger where it is and put the middle finger down. And that's your intro. This time I'll do it without stopping the rhythm. Play along with me if possible. 1, 2, 3. G, A7 suspended 4, C add 9. And that's your intro to the song. Well done so far. From this C add 9 we're back to E minor 7 with the same rhythm and the singing starts. C minor 7, E minor 7. So we do that twice and then to the A7 suspended 4th. 1,000 million miles from nowhere. On something, you're going to the C add 9. Something. Then hit is G. Hit. Then somewhere, back to the A7 suspended 4th. Somewhere between I's is C add 9. Then that repeats. This time I'll do it just calling out the chords, a little bit of melody to guide you along. E minor 7 on a plane, E minor 7 can't complain, A7 sus 4, play that again. Then C add 9, G, A7 even New York, C add 9. C add 9 again, I wanna talk to. Then we're into your chorus. Now the chorus, the rhythm is it's just a little bit different, so I just want you to pay attention here. So first of all, the order of the chords is G, and a chord that I failed to tell you, but I'm sure you know it, is a D, and then a D suspended fourth, which I'll show you. So just take the little finger, put it on the 3rd fret on the E. I'll show you that in just a second. Then E minor 7, then C add 9. So the order of chords, G, D little finger, then E minor 7 and C add 9. So let me break that down for you very slowly. So this is the first part, G. So we go down, 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 up, then we change to D. You do a down strum on D, put the little finger down for the up. So I'm going to join it from the G. Now let's just show you the D. So it's down, little finger down, then let go with the little finger. You only use the little finger once. I'll do that slowly. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So there you have it. There is the first part of the chorus. Talk tonight. Then E minor 7. So that's down, 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 down. Then on this up, down, 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 up. On that up, you're going to do a C add 9. Show you all of that rhythm. Down, 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 up, miss, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So the whole rhythm for your chorus is this. G, D, little finger D, E minor 7, down, 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 C add 9. Talk to G, E minor 7, C add light. Do that twice. And girl, you saved my life. Again. You and me, see how we. And on you and me, see how we. On the word R, you strip away these fingers from C add 9. This leaves you with the A7 suspended fourth. Do that twice. Back to your normal rhythm. Sorry, you see that for one bar. Then you go to the C add 9. You and me, see how we are. A7, C add 9. Okay, so the chorus, there's a few more chord changes and they happen that little bit quicker. But as long as you follow that rhythm, you'll be absolutely fine. I'll do it one last time. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Do that round in a circle and you will master that. You will get that part. So well done. So there's just one other part that you need to know for the last few choruses. It's G, D sus, E minor 7, C, D, C, G. So they just come a bit thick, they thicken fast with the chord changes. So from the E minor 7, it's down, down, up, C add 9, down, up, D, down, up, C add 9. And then back to your G. So you're basically fitting in the space of 4 chord changes in what would normally be the E minor 7 and C add 9's bar. I'll do it slowly. G, so the first time round, sorry, I went to D after the E minor 7, it's actually C add 9, D, C add 9, G. And that's the part in the singing where he's going, talk tonight. Save my life. I want to talk tonight. Okay, so there's just a little bit thick and fast in that section, but once you've got all that, you're all good. It finishes on A7 suspended 4 with the normal rhythm, and then an E minor 7 as your last strum. Enjoy the song.